Hello everyone, welcome to a new YouTube video where we explain things quick and easy. Today we're talking about StreamLadder's content publisher, which is a real lifesaver. So let me introduce you. First, we scroll to the content publisher, and here, as you can see, I already published one yesterday. You can choose by the tabs for a monthly view or a weekly view. For now, we're going to stick to a weekly view. We're going to schedule our posts. Here, you can decide to which platform you want to publish it to. If you go to social media connections down below, you can connect your account. You can upload both through YouTube or to TikTok, and soon we will have the option to post to Reels, which is amazing in my opinion. So let's go back, schedule your post. I'm going to choose to post it on our StreamLadder TikTok, which I have connected. Then on the left side, I can select my clip that I already edited before. Let's say this one. Here it's all done. Then on the right side, you can decide what the text needs to be. Let's say, hi TikTok. This is not what you would post, but this is what I'm going to post now. Include the hashtags StreamLadder. And what you can do here, you can even save the template for future use. So give it a name. Hello. This is not the most creative name, I know. We save it. And here you go. If you now press on this button, you can see all the templates that you made and you can use them again. So I'm going to use the hello one. Another nice feature is the ability to pick your own thumbnail. As you can see in the bottom, you can drag the button and pick the thumbnail that you think will attract the people the most. So that's really nice. Then you go to advanced settings, and here you can choose who it's for, what you allow users to do, and if you want to auto-publish or if you want to send it as a draft. Usually I pick for the auto-publish. Now if you think, I actually do want to post it on YouTube, you can just add the YouTube button and then pop at the bottom. You now see the YouTube settings. So here you have some more options. Notify subscribers, yes please. Child friendly, yes or no. Visibility, public, private, or unlisted. And then same goes for the text. You can choose the title. This is a title. And same for the YouTube description, which can be a little bit longer. It can be up to 1250 characters, which is pretty long. Then we schedule it, choose the right date. Let's say on a Thursday morning, noon, afternoon. I don't know, what do I want? Today I'm gonna do the afternoon. We pick the time, we schedule it, and ciao. There it is, all scheduled to the right platforms. And now if you want to edit it, you're like, no, wait, let me not post it on YouTube. You can just click it away, update the post, and now it's just set for TikTok. It's this easy. Good luck, guys.